Hi guys, welcome to our cooking video. So today Hamza and me are gonna cook a seafood pasta. So here we have the ingredients. For the main ingredients we have seafood, mushrooms and pasta, fusilli. For the seasoning we have clear soy sauce, mushroom soy sauce, oyster sauce, salt, black pepper, garlic and olive oil. And here we have the cooking tools. First of all, in all the boiled water we add some salt, and some pasta. We only make half a packet. And we wait for it until it cooks. We stir it from time to time. And now, we prepare the other things.
While the pasta is cooking, we prepare a hot pan. And we add a little of olive oil. And press the garlic. And we stir it. Until we hear the sizzling, we can put the mushroom. And we stir it until we can get the golden brown color on the mushroom.
We add the seafood to our pan and let it cook. It's okay if it releases water. It's good for the flavor. I think that's enough. Actually, I will stir a little bit. Then we add some salt and pepper. A little bit more. We continue on stirring. Well, let's just cook a little bit.
The next step, we add the pasta water into the pan so it cooks well. And we stir it. We add also again and we stir it. And let it cook for a little.
And while we let everything cook, we're gonna prepare our sauce. So we start off with 1 spoon of clear soy sauce, 1 spoon of mushroom soy sauce because we added mushroom to the recipe. Also 1 spoon of oyster sauce. Depending on the texture and the amount, we add a little bit of clear sauce just to make up for the sweetness, since the 2 other sauce have so much sweetness. You can make it according to your taste. I'm just adding a little bit because I don't like much sweetness in my pasta.
So here we have our sauce and we add it to the pan. And we stir it. So to give it more color and sweetness. Our pasta is ready, so we drain it in a drainer.
Now add pasta to the pan and we mix it well. You have to mix them thoroughly so that the flavor is absorbed by the pasta. I think we added a little bit more pasta, but it's okay. The flavor is too strong and some more pasta will help to weaken it a little bit. Of course, the fire is off, but we still have to stir while the pasta is still hot, because if it gets cold, it will stick together and we can't mix it anymore. Now we move to the plating. I'm gonna put some in the plate. Of course. That's it for me and for Hamza.
Mushrooms.
Not bad.
It's delicious.
Thank you guys for watching our video. Well, Hamza already ran with the plate and now I'm gonna eat it too. See you next time.